Hey everyone! Have you ever felt like you're missing out on the real benefits of fasting? You're not alone. 81% of people focus only on weight loss. But there's so much more to fasting than just shedding pounds. Today, I'll share 3 science-backed fasting hacks to boost your metabolism and reprogram your body from the inside out. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's dive in. First up, we've got circadian fasting windows. A 2025 MIT study showed fasting between 8 p.m. and 10 a.m. can boost your NAD+ levels by 40%. And that's not all. Tokyo trials found that nurses aligning their fasts with night shifts reduced insulin resistance by 62%. Imagine having energy all day long without those sugar crashes, so try synchronizing your fasts with your sleep schedule and see the magic happen. Next, let's talk nutrient timing for autophagy. According to Johns Hopkins, having 30 grams of collagen and a teaspoon of MCT oil before your fast can increase fat oxidation by 33%. It's like giving your metabolism a turbo boost. And for an extra edge, drink black cumin seed tea during your fast. Its thymoquinone content boosts AMPK pathways, helping your body clean out damaged cells. Awesome, right? Finally, we've got post-fast metabolic priming. Stanford researchers discovered that a quick 15-minute resistance training session before breaking your fast can elevate your GLUT4 receptors by 28%, making your body more efficient at handling glucose. Plus, sequencing your meal, veggies first, then protein, fats, and carbs, can reduce glucose spikes by 73%. It's all about smart eating habits that work with your body, not against it. Alright, if you're pumped to transform your metabolism, smash that subscribe button. Metabolic Reset Kit, Harvard's autophagy protocol, MIT's meal templates. Don't miss out. Turn fasting into your metabolic superpower today. Thanks for watching. Remember, your DNA wants to fast. Catch you in the next video.